I have not received anything. Neither our office has received anything.
So I just correct.
See, speaker's position will be assessed in the month of July, when the monsoon session will start. Till then, I am acting speaker. We'll see.
So today's vote of confidence, sir.
Vote of confidence you will see in 30 minutes. So have some patience.
Your whole party not to this thing. We need to take over as a speaker.
See, speaker's position is in the month of July. We'll see at that particular time. I am a vociferous MLA for Goa. So vociferous MLA cannot be silent.
Speaker is silent.
That is more than enough.
Sir, speaker is silent.
Speaker is non-biased. He cannot speak for the government, neither the opposition or any issues of the people of the state of Goa or anybody.
So being speaker, this won't allow you to say or talk about. Be vociferous.
My job is I am always with the people of Goa. So I will always remain with the people of Goa.
Okay, thank you.